Another day, another English lesson.
Subject plus have, has, plus a, and plus adjective, plus way of, plus gerund.
This structure is useful when you want to describe someone's typical method or style of doing something. It doesn't just tell us how something is done, like an adverb does. It describes a person's habitual or characteristic way of doing something. Compare. She speaks gently. This describes how she is speaking, maybe right now or generally. She has a gentle way of speaking. This describes her style of speaking over time. It feels more personal and reflective. The second version is not just about behavior. It suggests the speaker has noticed and thought about how this person tends to act. It's more expressive and often adds a personal opinion or emotion. More examples. He has an unusual way of telling jokes. He consistently tells jokes in a way that's not typical. They have a calm way of dealing with complaints. They tend to respond calmly, and this is part of their approach. When to use this structure? Use this structure when you want to talk about someone's consistent approach, style, or habit. You want to include a personal judgment or feeling about how they do something. You're telling a story or describing someone in a more detailed or thoughtful way. When to avoid it? Sometimes this structure can sound too long or formal, especially if your meaning is simple and doesn't need extra detail. In casual conversation or when speaking quickly, it's often better to use an adverb. He speaks clearly. A simpler phrase. She explains things well. Don't use the longer structure if you just mean how something happens once, or if your sentence becomes too slow or heavy. Example. She has a sweet way of saying goodbye. Good if you want to highlight that this is part of her personality. She has a quick way of running. Unnatural. She runs quickly is better. Now complete the sentences using the structure subject plus have, has, plus an, plus adjective, plus way of, plus gerund. Use the adjective and verb in parentheses. One. This library has a unique way of organizing its books. Two. He has an efficient way of managing his time. Three. He has a creative way of solving problems. Four. We have a quick way of preparing dinner on busy nights. Five. My friend has a gentle way of comforting people. Six. The teacher has an interesting way of explaining difficult concepts. Seven. She has a calm way of dealing with stressful situations. Eight. They have a fun way of celebrating birthdays. Nine. He has a natural way of making people feel welcome. Ten. He has a simple way of keeping his desk organized. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.